Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this easy and beautiful pattern. This pattern can be used as a blanket and also you can knit as a jean sweater and ladies sweater. See, this is the look of this pattern. It is very easy to knit. See, this is one repeat. I have done two repeats here, sorry, three repeats, two and a half repeat, 1, 2 and then half repeat here. Wrong side looks like this. Wrong side is all knit on stitch and purl stitch. So this is only 16 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast on multiples of 12 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 12 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch, right? So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 15 stitches on my needle, which is 12 plus, I have only one repeat, which is 12 plus 1 extra stitch 13 and 2 edge stitch 15. So row 1 right side knit all stitches. Row 2 wrong side purl all stitches. Row 3 right side. Now row 3 right side your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5 and purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and purl 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the repeat pattern. This is the repeat pattern and you will repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish all repeats, for the last 2 stitch 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Last 2 stitch purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Wrong side, row 4 wrong side, knit on edge stitch and purl stitch. This time on row 2 we had only purl stitches, so we purl all stitches, and now on row 5, sorry, row 4 we have knit stitch here and here purl stitch, so you will knit on knit and purl. So your edge stitch slip and then knit on knit, purl. So the repeat pattern starts from here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5 and knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and knit 3. And your last 2 stitch knit 1, edge stitch, purl 1. Row 5 right side knit all stitches. Row 5 right side knit all stitches. Row 6, wrong side, purl all stitches. See, this time we have all purl stitches, so purl all stitches. Now row 7, right side, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and purl 3, 1, 2 and 3. That's the repeat. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like row 3, right? It's like row 3. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and purl 3. And your last edge stitch, so last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 8, knit on knit, purl and purl. So your edge stitch slip. Start the repeat, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and knit 3, 1, 2, 3. That's the repeat. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and knit 3. Your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, purl 1. Row 9, knit all stitches. Row 10, purl all stitches. Now row 11, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 7 and knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and knit 2. This is the repeat pattern. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 12, wrong side, edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 7, 4, 5, 6, 7 and purl 3, 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and purl 2. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. Row 13, knit all stitches. Row 14, purl all stitches. Row 15, for row 15 knit edge row 11, so your edge stitch slip and start the repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, purl 7 and knit 2. 1, 2, that's the repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and knit 2. This is the repeat again. Sorry, last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 16, last row, your edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and purl 2. 1, 2. That's the repeat. Purl 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and purl 2. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 16 rows, row 1 to row 16 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.